What is up, guys? So welcome back to my channel. So today mag-unbox tayo ng bagong budol natin sa Orashare. So this is the Orashare PowerBank. So bali yung specs niya, wala namang masyadong special, pero kasi ito yung one of the highest capacity out there sa market na bang for the buck. At the same time, so far okay naman yung review niya. May from time to time merong mga unpleasant reviews, pero possibly factory defect. Pero let's see kung ano magiging experience natin dito. So ito siya, bale Orashare 100,000 milliamps power bank, 65 watts power delivery. So yan yung binabose niya, and then meron siyang built-in na lamp. So marami nang gumamit na ito so far for camping, for brownouts or blackouts. Okay naman daw. Yung nga lang ang downside niya, as per some reviews, ang bagal daw i-charge. So kailangan mo talagang gumamit ng charger with at least 45 or 65 watts or higher, much better, para maging mas mabilis yung charging time niya, kasi otherwise mag-range from half day up until 12 hours, which is syempre medyo matagal. So ito yung specs niya, ito yung pinaka model number niya, not sure if visible, yan, OL100APro -102, capacity 100,000 milliamps. And then ito yung mga inputs and outputs niya. Pause nyo na lang yung video kung gusto nyo mabasa. I'll just post the specs as well and the link kung saan ko nabili ito sa Orange app. Sa pricing and sa detailed specs ng item. So try natin buksan. Yan siya, sealed as you can see, all sides. So buksan natin. Okay. So tingnan natin kung anong laman. Meron talaga something about unboxing ng new parcel or new budol, especially kapag gadget, diba? May kahit pa paano may excitement. So well, alam ko naman ako ng tsura nito, nagbasa-basa na rin ako ng review. So far ito nga yung pinaka bang for the buck. Marami siyang competitors out there, pero wala eh. Ito yung inabot ng budget natin. So simple foam for keep it safe. Sa packaging meron siyang type C to type C USB cable. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong rating nito, no? Siguro mababa lang to kasi manipis lang yung gauge ng wire. So medyo mabigat siya, parang 1 kilo more or less. Ano naman, that's about it. Wala rin siyang manual, yun lang ang kino-complain ng iba, no? Well, ako rin, sana may manual siya kahit paano. But here it is. Meron siyang orange handle. Sana lang matibay. Wala nang ibang laman. So ito siya. Hindi naman pala siya ganun kalaki in person. Actually pag nakikita ko sa mga review, parang nalalakihan ako. Pero ang liit niyang kit niya actually. Well, malaki siya para bitbitin on a daily basis, lalo na kung papasok ka sa school or sa trabaho. Pero when it comes to like, pinag-uusapan kasi nandito is yung capacity, hindi na siya masama. Though may weight siya. Tansya ko more than 1 kilo, ganun, or almost 2 more or less. So Orashare 65 watts, 100 milliamps. PD means power delivery, 65 watts. QC 3.0. Not sure kung ano yan. Hindi tayo masyadong expert pagdating dyan. So ito yung specs niya in model number as well. And same thing yung print sa box. And then of course yung ports niya. Meron siyang dalawang type C USB cable I'm just not sure which one is for charging. Siguro we'll have to check. Kasi honestly, hindi ako sure at this point. And then yung power delivery niya, lahat yan, I believe power delivery, kung na nagkamali. Meron siyang 6 na USB port, yung standard USB port, so 2.0. And then yung display niya, tanggalin natin to. Protection lang naman for scratches, kasi I think scratch, ayun yung bilis, bilis siya magka-scratch. Anyway, let's see. So right now makikita nyo, sorry hindi nakagitna, 70% yung charge capacity niya. So yun lang. And then the light nga natin, sorry medyo nakabulag. Yan yung ilaw niya, maliwanag siya. And hindi siya masyadong masakit sa mata kasi may diffuser na built-in, so hindi masakit sa mata yung brightness ng LED. Ano sa titigan mo na matagal, syempre. And then yan, kita 70%. And then test natin siya. Let's try charging some devices. Meron ako ditong USB cable. Try natin dito. And then let us just try charging this one. Tingnan natin kung ayun, charging 1%. And then looking here sa display, so nagdodraw siya ng 5 volts 1 amp, as you can see. So 70%. So output niya is 5 volts 0.9 to 1 amp. So kung monitor mo yung consumption, kung gaano kalakas yung kinukonsumo or yung output ng mga chinacharge mong devices basically. So yeah, initial testing pa lang naman to. Syempre i-try natin siyang i-stress test kung gaano katagal ilalast. Pero most likely kasi syempre i-summarize mo lang yung capacity ng bawat device na chinacharge mo, either through voltage, wattage, and amps. Syempre babawas mo siya every time from whatever percentage you have here, 100% to 70%. Syempre babawas siya dyan eventually. And yeah, we're just gonna have a separate detailed, more in-depth review pagdating sa performance niya overall. So yun, so far mukha naman siyang, I thought nung una is, well, nakabukas pa rin yung ilaw pa rin. I thought nung una is flimsy yung plastic na ginamit sa kanya, pero I stand corrected, matigas. Solid siya actually. And meron na akong napanood, na-review rin sa YouTube na yun nga, binuksan to, totally linabas yung battery. I believe it's a lithium ion battery, kung hindi nagkamali. Double check ko na lang again yung specs, pa-post ko yung link. Okay naman siya, and legit naman yung capacity niya na 100,000 milliamps talaga, unlike sa mga ibang power banks na ang baba ng capacity talaga or ng wattage compare sa actual capacity ng battery. So yun, tingnan natin kung ano, pero so far it's looking good. Muntik na tayong hindi umabot sa stocks kasi ngayon out of stock na siya sa Orange app. But of course, syempre, most likely sa future magkakaroon naman ulit, mag-restock sila. Pero so far so good, gumagana naman siya. Of course, the more na mag-a-add kayo dyan, mapabawasan 65 watts output niya. Kasi I believe hindi, mati-divide yun depending on how many devices you try charging all at the same time. So, yeah, for now, hanggang dito na lang muna. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll post more videos about this new gizmo na budol natin. Thank you. Again, this is Raven Vlogs. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon.